In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and use manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com to create a stunning mobile-friendly website. We'll start by setting up your site, explore how to optimize it for mobile devices, and then save your progress to ensure every change you make is preserved. These are essential steps in building a polished online presence. First, you'll want to head over to the Wix setup page. This is where your journey begins. If you haven't already created a site or logged into your Wix account, this step is crucial. You'll need to log in to access your dashboard. Once inside, you'll find a variety of options and features to tailor your site to your liking. Here, you can select the design and layout that best suits your brand or personal style. It's all about laying the right foundations for what's to come, so take a moment to explore and get acquainted with what Wix has to offer. Next, to ensure your website is just as impressive on mobile devices, you'll need to direct your attention to the mobile editor. In the Wix editor, look for the mobile icon and give it a click. This switch will enable you to tailor the mobile version of your website, presenting an opportunity to reshape your site's design for smaller screens. The goal here is to make adjustments that enhance usability on mobile devices, since many users are likely to view your site this way. Rearrange elements to stack vertically for a seamless scroll, adjust fonts for readability, and hide any non-essential components that may clutter the screen. Remember, a clean, straightforward design often results in a better user experience. Moreover, providing insights into making your site mobile-friendly, one handy tip is to use a mobile responsive template from the start. This ensures your design works effortlessly across devices. As you fine-tune your layout in the mobile editor, consider adding mobile-specific tools, such as a quick action bar for easy navigation or a back-to-top button to enhance user interaction. Optimizing media, such as images or videos, for rapid loading on mobile devices is another way to boost your site's performance and keep users engaged. Finally, after refining your website, either in the desktop or mobile view, don't forget about the all-important step of saving your work. Simply navigate to the Save button within the editor. This ensures that all your adjustments and customizations are securely stored. It's good practice to save regularly to prevent any potential loss of your hard work. By following these steps and taking advantage of the full range of tools Wix provides, you can create a versatile and visually appealing website that looks great, whether it's accessed on a computer or a phone. Thank you for joining today, and happy designing.